Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make your own homemade pizza. You don't have to be an Italian chef to make a delicious pizza at home. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 3/4 of a cup of lukewarm water, 5 ml salt, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, 10 ml sugar, and 5 grams of dry yeast. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking tray. Mix everything together and knead the dough until the dough is flexible and doesn't stick to the sides. If the dough is ready, it will stretch like this. Cover it with cling wrap and let it rise until it's double in size. Prepare your toppings before you roll out the base. I like a Mediterranean style pizza, therefore I used olives, salami and feta. You don't have to use specific toppings, you can use anything you like. Because I like a cheesy pizza, I used cheddar and mozzarella. The amount of cheese you use is to your liking. You don't have to use specific cheeses. You must only use a cheese that can melt easily. Roll out the base. Usually when you think about a pizza, you think about a round pizza baked on a pizza stone. It doesn't have to be round, you can make it any shape or size. I, for instance, use my baking tray I use to bake rusks. For extra taste, put olive oil on the base. Make sure you poke enough holes in the base to prevent the base from making bubbles. Bake the base for 15 minutes. It's important to pre-bake the base to ensure that it's cooked through and that it isn't mushy. Cover it with tomato paste and add your toppings. After the paste, add the olives, cheddar and feta. Add the salami and mozzarella. I like to use mixed herbs and fresh basil for flavoring. Flavor it to your liking with salt and pepper. Bake for 10 minutes. To cut it, you can just use a pizza roller or you can use kitchen scissors. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.